reklamo dito.
Mm.
These four towers are
Ano
called
pa?
the intake towers. Sometimes we call them the straws. They take the water in, goes through the dam, and turns the turbines of the generators